Hi guys, it's Johnny from Kalpanic Games. Today I will demonstrate some of the features that I made in my for practice. And so let's begin. As you see over here, I have a nice combo system. So it will attack like this. And I also have some camera bounce. So if you go over here, it won't go over here. I need to fix my uh, attack trigger. So it has also a sound system over here which hits on trigger. I have to check the collision so it doesn't collide with other things. And this is a kind of reference video and kind of blog for me to demonstrate what I am actually learning. And I think you can learn from something. So let me show you how I did this. First of all, let's begin with the tag system. So if you go over here, uh, these are other bunch of things that I wrote for making things work, but you don't need to have to concern with that. You only check, you put the attacking is false at the start, then we put public static controller, and then we put the public anim over here, and later right at the end over here you can put private void attack and just press whichever key you like to press for attacking and set it to true. All right, next thing we're going to go back to Unity and check a few other things. So let me minimize this and let's check this right over here. Okay, on idle, I'm taking advantage of the finite state machine. So you just I already added the idle stance, so you just write whatever you want to put, then the code goes something like this. Okay, over here the code goes something like this. You go to idle stance, you'll see a bunch of things that already guided over here. So on state update, you have this, you just put this line of code. Okay, like character controller instance attacking, then character controller instance anim play, then play the attack, right? And when it exit, you just set it to false, and you do the same thing for trans 1 state, then you do the same thing for the trans 3, and that's pretty much it for the attacking. And let's go back to Unity again. So over here, this you see over trans state, trans thing, and trans 3. Okay, trans over here, and this one is idle stance, so it will go over it. And this is much easier way to do it, the combo systems, instead of putting all those logic and making a spider web that you generally create. So it will doesn't need to even connect from idle to attack, right? But it will only happen from idle. I'm still playing with how to make this work in other transition systems, so later down the road I will figure that down and see how that goes. But it's a really nice, cool and handy system. So another thing I can show you, the camera bound, right? It's very easy. I'm using Sign Machine over here. If you see Sign Machine virtual camera, and I'm just putting this Sign Machine confiner, and I have this Sign Machine bounce, which we go over here, and if we click this, and we have a boundary, so right there. And Sign Machine is really good. You should use it for anything, pretty much every camera thing. If you have a camera in your game, you should pretty much use it. I will recommend to install it in any project, Unity project you do. So that's really pretty about it. Also, there is a nice add-on from Unity Asset Store that I use. I'm a firm believer of using things to fasten up your workflow. It's called Master Audio. It's very easy to set up, and right away you can see the result. You can play with the things. So that's how I'm, for all the sounds I'm working in my game, I'm using this add-on. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you liked what you see and learned a few tricks from my blog. And yeah, if you like, subscribe to my channel, and put that like button and put the thumbs down if you didn't like it. And I hope to see you soon. Thanks, take care.